it's Miss Wonder. I'm gonna be making make your own soap. So my aunt, she actually makes her own soap from scratch. In London, she is Canador soap, and she made me this little ducky soap for Christmas. I still have it because it's very special. So I've already started making the soap in my other video, but that didn't work, so I deleted it. So it's in the microwave. It's not working very good. It already like over flooded. Like it keeps on, like it's working, but at the same time it's not. Like it's, every time I take it out, it's getting harder, but I'm scared to put it back in because it almost like blew up my whole microwave. It was technically on fire. Try this with adult supervision. My parents are both gone, but they said I could do whatever I want, so I take this as doing whatever I want. Okay, now we are, like the water's all gone. I put water in it and the soap has taken the water in its own way. So I'm gonna, holy crap, that was a lot of soap, or a lot of water. We are going to put water in it and put it in 10 seconds, and we are going to make this work. Make it work, son. I'm just making sure it doesn't explode. Only 5 seconds. We're making this work. Making it work. I'm making it work. I'm making it work. That's what I'm doing. Oh, that hurt. I'm doing whatever I have to do. Okay, that's the last 5 seconds, I promise. And then we're gonna stir, and we'll see if it needs more. Who thinks that needs more? I honestly don't even know. Actually, that is pretty darn soft. Also, I'm gonna give you a tour of my grandma's house when I go down there. That worked. Like, I thought I would fail horribly at this. But, I mean, as you go, as you believe in yourself, if you believe in yourself, you can do anything. You can be anything. You can do whatever you like to do. And I believed in myself, and I still thought this would fail. But did it? I just made soap. Well, it was already soap, but I melted it. Let's add some dish soap. Maybe that will work. I was adding water, and water just makes it bubbly. Oh, my favorite Musical.ly person is live right now. Just got a notification, but you know what? YouTube, you guys are important. I can watch him later. He only goes on for like 20 minutes, and then he gets off. And like as soon as he goes on, he already has like 60 people on it. And I'm just like, when I go live, I only get 2 people watching through hours. Like, bruh. Oh, that was a lot. And yet, he has like, he's famous. And bruh, I have 2 subscribers on YouTube. On Musical.ly, I have almost 400 fans. This is working a lot better with soap. Like, it's not even hot. Oh, that's soft though. Okay, now we're going to put it into our positions. And we're gonna make soap. Another one of my Musical.ly people just went live. When you're busy doing something, you know, everything that's the best thing in the world happens. Okay, it's gonna be the last tiny bit of soap. Yes, I know that wasn't tiny. I know that was a very large amount. But hey, the more soap I get in here, the more better the soap will be. Okay, now we're gonna shape it and put it into the freezer so it can become hard soap. Because who wants to use this? Just like, one, it would burn. Two, it wouldn't feel very nice. Look how much better that dish soap made this. It's like not hard. Like I want it to be hard eventually, but right now I just want it to get all the clumps out, and then I'm gonna freeze it and then mold it. Like, look how much better that is. Like, I get that it's not like just soap now, it's dish soap. You could use it on your dishes. This actually looks like slime. I want to add color to it so bad, but then at the same time I don't, because what if it dyes your body? Then what do I do? Be like, oh yeah, don't worry, it won't only dye your body red. Like, so beautiful. Okay, you know what? I can't deal with this. I need more soap. Like, I want it to be sticky, but at the same time I don't want bubbles. Okay, I promise that was the last bit of soap. Now, I keep my promises. Unlike my friends. I'm just kidding. My friends keep promises sometimes. Because my friend, I'm not going to say her name, but it is a girl. I told her something. When I was mad about my friend, she went right ahead and told her. Whenever she says stuff, I don't go and tell. Okay, so this is how it looks right now. We are going to put it into a plastic cup and freeze it. Or not really a plastic cup, just like that sturdy. We'll put it into this cup. Actually, no. We're going to put them into these little cups. I love making stuff. Especially now I can use it. Like, we don't have any, like, soap in our showers, and now I can actually get clean. I bet you there's only going to be enough for, like, one of these cups. Oh, no, maybe two. Okay, so this is the first cup we're going to stick down the freezer. This is actually going pretty good. I'm just going to get all of it to the bottom and also to the side of this. Okay, so so we're almost done. The second cup. And it's good we're almost done the second cup because there's like none left. And like okay, so yeah. Okay. Oh, this has been so long. Okay. I'm gonna wash out this. Okay, so our second one is done. So I'm gonna put that in the freezer. I don't know. Okay. Okay. So that's almost done. Oh god, I feel so bad. This video was taking so long. I hate making videos long. Okay, let's see if one of them is almost ready. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna put you in the freezer. This is the one we're gonna check. It's not dripping. Oh, this is pretty. Feels like slime. Okay, so I know this one's almost ready. Okay, so I have them right over there. And now, what should we do? Oh, what should we do? I'll end the video and you guys will see me later. Bye.